Irregular plurals. Y to IES transformation. Hi everyone. Welcome back to English with YASH Education Library, the channel where learning English is fun and easy. In today's video, we are going to learn a very interesting and important grammar topic, that is irregular plurals, Y to IES transformation. You might already know that most nouns become plural by simply adding s at the end. For example, book becomes books, car becomes cars. But there are some special words that don't follow this simple rule. They end with the letter Y, and when we make them plural, something changes. Let's learn what happens step by step. Section 1. The rule. Let's start with the basic rule. If a noun ends with a consonant plus Y, we remove the Y and add IES to make it plural. Let's break that down. Consonant is any letter that is not a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So if a word ends in a consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IES. For example, baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, story, stories, country, countries. See, the Y disappears and IES comes instead. That's why we call it the Y to IES transformation rule. Section 2. The exception. But wait, there is an exception. What if the word ends with a vowel plus Y? In that case, we do not change the Y, we simply add S. Let's look at some examples. Boy, boys, toy, toys, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, journey, journeys. Here the letter before Y is a vowel, O in boy, E in key, etc. So we just add S. Section 3. Quick trick to remember. Here is a quick trick to remember. If there is a vowel before Y, just add S. If there is a consonant before Y, change Y to IES. Simple, right? You can even make a small table or chart to memorize this rule. Section 4. Practice time. Now let's practice together. I will say a word and you try to say its plural before I tell you the answer. Lady, ladies, toy, toys, city, cities, key, keys, baby, babies, monkey, monkeys. Excellent! If you got most of them correct, you are doing amazing. If not, don't worry, practice makes perfect. Section 5. Common mistakes. Many learners make these common mistakes. Cities instead of cities. Stories instead of stories. Babies instead of babies. Remember, babies with an apostrophe means something that belongs to the baby, not plural. So, always check if you are using IES for plurals and apostrophe S for possession. Section 6. Mini quiz. Let's take a quick quiz. You can pause the video to answer. What's the plural of party, toy, story, journey, puppy? Let's check your answers. Party, parties, toy, toys, story, stories, journey, journeys, puppy, puppies. Great job, you are getting it. Section 7. Recap. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. If a word ends in consonant plus Y, change Y to IES. If it ends in vowel plus Y, Just add S. Watch out for apostrophe plus S. It means position, not plural. Practice makes perfect. Try writing 10 examples of each type today. So that's all for today's lesson. Irregular plurals, Y to IES transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with YASH Education Library for more fun grammar lessons daily. Comment below and tell me what other grammar topic would you like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.